The day has come.
You gotta talk louder.
The day has come. I officially get to drive the GT-R.
Like 20 feet back there.
What? No.
Here's a cold start for you guys. One last time before it gets sold.
On the grass? Not up there?
Yeah, we're doing it in the front.
Okay. Whoa!
That's good. Straighten it out. Yeah, that's good.
Woo! I want to drive it for real.
You don't get to.
I just drove the GT-R in Crocs. My Crocs are dirty. Don't worry, I'm cleaning them. Don't forget the title.
The title's right there. Ready to film me?
Yeah.
For final measures.
It's so dark.
I know, that's the point.
So he won't see. This is evidence that I'm driving the GT-R.
She gone. All right, well, I didn't film the rest of that because I spent about 2.5 hours at the bank finalizing the guy's loan and everything, but the GT-R is officially gone. It feels so good. You don't even know. Just like the Titan, I like the idea of the GT-R more than the GT-R. I love the exhaust note and I miss that, but cost of parts and how sucky it was to daily drive, I don't miss that. But that's kind of bringing me on to a different note. You know how I said I wanted to get rid of the Q50? Do I really want to? I don't know. So I'm gonna go over the Q50 again, and you guys let me know. Should I sell the Q50? Should I part it out, or should I finish it? I'm really close to finishing it, but let's see. Since you guys last saw this, I don't think I had this hood on here. I got this thing from Russia, a company called SCL Global, I believe is their name. I will put their link in the description, but this thing is like, fit and finish is amazing. Even underneath looks awesome. There's a lot of dirt in here. The custom Moo Cow hoses, HKS, Alpha intakes, dual intakes. I should probably cover them up so the filter doesn't get all messed up. Billet cap there. So this is the 3-liter twin turbo. Got all the Alpha stuff up in here. Yeah, right back there. I have the Alpha overflow tank. So like up here, all I have left pretty much is bolting everything up, welding these radiator supports in place and having them bolted. The top shroud I need, hood hinges if I want to do that, versus pins, which I think that pins would mess up this hood, unlike the GT-R. I am probably going to do, if I do this, I'm probably going to do these GT-R wheels on it. I'll have to camber the rears because you can see that poke is crazy, and I don't mind camber. I think it actually looks good, so I'll do a little bit of camber and then a little bit of stretch on new tires because these ones are all cupped. I have some body work to pull that out and body filler. The joy of having a transporter bring this thing and have another car run into it as it was being loaded. Never paid me crap for it. Kind of sucks. And then the inside, as you can see from one of my older videos, I kept the paddles that I had on the GT-R. I really want to finish this thing. And then I have back here like every carbon part in the world for this thing. Have some more HKS parts that. Then I have so many more parts in the trunk. Of course, the Impreza will take precedence over this because the Impreza will be my daily driver. This would be like a weekend fun car. But do I want to go into another project, especially working on this thing outside without a lift, without a paint booth anymore? Really want to shop in the backyard, but it's not in the game plan right now. Eventually, but right now, no. So I guess to clear the air a little bit on why I closed the shop. First of all, it's not a bad thing that I closed the shop. I am so much happier now that I did close it. I learned a lot from it. I have a great job now. I feel happier. Daryl and I are able to spend more quality time together, if that makes sense. I was just always wrapped up in the business in my mind, and on my phone. I was always looking at cars. I was always contacting customers. I never had time to myself, and if I did, it was then overpowered by the shop. Like I would wake up in the middle of the night thinking about certain jobs I had to do, wake up looking at cars. It just got way too much and it wasn't fun anymore. Like now that cars are a hobby, I feel like they're fun. When it was non-stop, it just sucked. Like I opened a shop because I loved cars. when I closed the shop, I hated cars, like absolutely hated them. So I think it's been a good thing for life, for my life and Darylyn's life and our future family. But yeah, Q50, yay or nay? Let me know in the comments section below. This one's a short video. I just wanted to update you guys on me selling the GT-R so it just didn't just disappear from the channel. Next video is going to be the Impreza, which I have car cover on right now so it doesn't get rained on and stuff. But that being said, moral of the story, do what you love, family comes first, health is important, and just help people out when you can. Life isn't all about money and fame. Remember that, stick to it, and I'll see you guys on the next one. That like angles that are intimate, you know, close up, the water dripping,